Hi there, I'm Saifudheen. In this video, I'm introducing a very useful Dynamo script. So in this model, I have pipe network having pipes and pipe network structures. For example, here I have manhole, catch pit, etc. So for example, let me select one of the manhole and go to object viewer. So here you can see the manhole. So if in case I want to split this manhole and the manhole cover separate, manhole body and manhole cover separate, and I want to attach property set separately for the manhole cover and manhole body. Currently there is no default option from Civil 3D to split these two, unless otherwise you have to model separately both. This will be double work. So let me close this one. I will show you the property set for this one. Let me press Ctrl 1, and here in extended data you can see the property set for this manhole. So what I need to do, I want to split this manhole too, like I told before, manhole cover and manhole body. Anyhow, we cannot split this Civil 3D structure as cover and body separate. So what we will do by using the Dynamo, we will generate 3D solid from this pipe structure. Okay, then we will also copy the property set with that splitted cover and body. So let me open the Dynamo graph. Okay, go to the manage ribbon and the Dynamo. Here I launch the Dynamo and I can click open and select the Dynamo graph for splitting the structure. This dynamo.dyn file you could download from this video description. So let me select and click open. So when you open first time from the different location, and this will pop up this question, so you want to trust this location or not, so you can just simply press yes. This Dynamo graph required Civil 3D toolkit package. So if you don't have the Civil 3D toolkit in your Dynamo, it will pop up another window here to install the Civil 3D toolkit. So you just simply press the install button, then it will install for you. Or else also you can just search here on the package manager. You can just type Civil 3D toolkit and it will allow you to install. Okay, so in this graph, you don't need to give any input. It's everything written here properly. So you just run it, that's it. So let me uh, keep aside here. And also before running this program, you have to make sure the 3D solid is visible for all the structures. For example, here I just select and right button. Before that, let me minimize this one. Okay, so I'll close this properties window also and just select one of the item and go to the edit structure style, and here on the plan, here view direction plan, you need to make sure the 3D solid bulb is on. Currently it is switched off, so just click it and apply OK. This is the one way. Another way what you can do before running, any two option you can choose. Maybe you could choose display off for the 3D solid here in the style, or else you can just simply click the view cube to make it isometric. Okay, so this already visible the 3D solid for the pipe structure. You could also change this to conceptual. But that's not mandatory if you want to see properly. So let me switch back to the 2D wireframe, and also you could check here on edit structure style, make sure this 3D solid bulb is on. So the yellow color, it means it is on. Now the blue, which is this off, so make it on. Okay, so for now I can go back to the plan view. because I have already switched on this the 3D solid for the plan view. Edit structure style, I will make sure once again 3D solid. Okay, this is on, apply. Okay, so we are good to go. Okay, and open the Dynamo. So what I need to do, just run the program. So just click run and it will take maybe 1 minute, depends on your model size. Okay, now it's shown run started. Now okay, now run completed, so it finished. Okay, now you can see this already created the solid. Let's go to the object viewer. It is overlapping with the civil 3D structure element also. So for now we can just switch off the civil 3D. Let me go to the isometric view to show you properly. Isometric view, and now I can switch to conceptual to visible properly. So here you can see this overlapping. So what I'm going to do, I know the structure style which is basic. So under settings, structure styles and basic. So I will go to basic and I will switch off this bulb for the model. Okay, so in the model I can see only the three newly generated 3D solids. So escape and this. So both are separate elements now for all the structures. See here, it's separate. For if you want to filter the selection filter, this is already given different color. So you can filter by the color. So here in the properties, you can see the property set separate for this cover. And let me go to the design. So this is on the different color, red color. So you can easily filter 3D solid by red color. So you can select all the covers. Okay. And here in this, the manhole body solid, it is on 252 on the gray color, so you could also filter this body by using this color. And let me go to the extended data. All the properties are already transferred from the original civil 3D element to this solid, so you could use this one. Okay, now you can export this to NWC by just click NWC out, and you can get it on the Navisworks, and you have the separate LOI parameters for cover and the body. Thank you for watching this video, and if it is helpful for you, you can like this video. Any other suggestion or ideas, you can comment down in this video. Thank you once again. Bye.